So I just had my dinner. Man, the light in these elevators are horrible. But I had dinner. Kinda don't like the vibe in this hostel, but good morning. I did not sleep well. I'm tired. I'm not excited for the room change. I just checked into my new room, and if I'm honest, I'm a bit confused. Like, not in a bad way. So this is the new, it's the 6-bed dorm. And I thought when I was booking that I booked a 6-bed only female dorm the first night, and then these 2 nights I booked in a 12-bed mixed dorm. That's what I thought. I would rather be in a 6-bed dorm than a 12 one. And we have a bathroom, as you can see. We have a bathroom and a little shower. Down in the hallway, we also have another bathroom. I'm just confused. I like this room way better than the last one. But yeah, now I've been studying a lot, just doing some stuff I need to do. Now I'm gonna head out, explore around a bit, and go to a Christmas market. Yay! Honestly, I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. Maybe a lot of it is because it's a bunch of Christmas markets right now, but yeah, I find it decent enough. Let me show you what it looks like at night. Well, there's 2 people in my room, and they're really sweet. They're from Mexico. So I was saying before that I didn't like the vibe of this hostel. I think it was only mainly the room I was sleeping in, because that, I don't know, the vibe was just totally off. But this one's great. Yeah, this is me, 2 other people. We have our own bathroom and another private bathroom. But yeah, I'm feeling quite good actually. As long as it's not windy, I'm fine. A little bit of rain, that is okay. I'm not actually quite sure what this is. What I do know is I want to get over there. This is quite cool. I just fact-checked myself. This is a memorial. After the last video, I kind of rushed back to the hostel because I had cramps, and then I thought my period might start, so I rushed back to the hostel, and then I just took it easy, and then I just got out of a shower. And I'm gonna go and buy, I think, the last food for this trip. I have like a small Nutella, lunch for tomorrow, and then a salad. No, I don't even remember. But then some snacks and something else. So basically Nutella and snacks. No, I'm just kidding. I was about to say this was my last full day, but that's not true because technically tomorrow will be a full day. Says my train leaves after midnight. So I'm finally heading off. I'm at the cathedral. Honestly, like today's been such a boring day. After I checked out, I was just sitting in the common room, studying, reading, writing, and just like occasionally stretching. But I mean, I just felt like I needed to move. So about half an hour ago or something, I was like, I'm gonna head out because I needed to move. And I was like struck by the thought that this is my actual last day. Like, I'll be getting on a train, and then at the end of that train, I will be back in Sweden. And it kind of made me sad, actually. I just love this. I was just like a little bit sad, but anyways, it is what it is. I'm happy I did this. Let me show you the view where I'm sitting. I'm feeling better now. As I kept saying this throughout this journey because, let's say I liked Amsterdam. When I was leaving, I was sad and I didn't want to leave. If I hadn't left Amsterdam, I wouldn't have gotten to Paris or to Florence, and both of those cities I didn't want to leave either. But if I hadn't left Paris or Florence, I wouldn't have gone to Ljubljana or to Budapest. Like, I have to keep going. The show must go on. Even though, you want to stay, there's better things ahead. That's what I've come to learn, kind of, if I'm being philosophical about it. Almost there. So close to Sweden. It's been rather stressful. Okay, let me tell you what happened. This whole trip today is 6 changes. I'm changing train like all the time. Let's see, I was going from Berlin to Hanover, and then Hanover to Hamburg, and then I almost missed the train. I was at the wrong track because I didn't get it. It said that it's changed track, but I don't know. I'm running on 2 hours sleep, so like I don't know. I'm not in the best form right now. I kind of like to run to it, but I made it. And then that was from Hamburg to Flensburg. And I only had, when I arrived in Flensburg, I only had a 10-minute transit to the next train. Like, we've come maybe one stop, and then the train stops and stands still for about 20 minutes. And I'm just freaking out because I'm like, I need to catch that train, because I was looking up, if I don't catch that train, like, I'm screwed. So, turns out, when we arrived in Flensburg, we were only like 5 minutes late, and they only spoke German, like through the speakers, so like I didn't understand anything. I was looking up online what platform it was going to be at, and it was literally going to be at the same platform, just like track 1 and 2. So the doors opened, and I realized that the train is waiting for us. Like, I was so happy, like you do not understand. But then I was like, since that train was waiting for us, so it was a bit late, and my other transit from Flensburg to Frederica, that was only 5 minutes. I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna miss that one. But then the train was quick, so I actually caught that train. I don't think I've ever been like done this intense before. And my train leaves in about 12 minutes. It is going straight to Gothenburg.